Is your gut secretly making you sick? It might be. Inside your digestive system, trillions of bacteria are battling for control, some working to keep you healthy, while others silently wreak havoc on your body. When harmful gut bacteria take over, they can trigger digestive issues, weaken your immune system, cause chronic inflammation, and even impact your mood and brain function. Let's see how bad gut bacteria harm you. Your gut is like a tiny universe filled with trillions of bacteria, some good, some bad. When everything is balanced, your body thrives. But when harmful bacteria take over, they can cause a cascade of health problems. Let's break down exactly how bad gut bacteria can harm you and why it's essential to keep them in check. 1. Digestive disorders. Have you ever dealt with constant bloating, diarrhea, or an irritable stomach? Bad bacteria might be the culprit. Harmful strains like Clostridium difficile and Helicobacter pylori can trigger chronic digestive issues, including irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, acid reflux, and even ulcers. Here's how. When bad bacteria overgrow, they cause inflammation in your gut lining, making it harder for your body to digest food properly. A study published in Nature Reviews Gastroenterology and Hepatology, 2016, confirms that this gut inflammation disrupts digestion, leading to poor nutrient absorption and uncomfortable digestive symptoms. 2. Weakened immune system. Did you know that 70% of your immune system is in your gut? Your microbiome plays a critical role in defending your body against harmful invaders. But when bad bacteria take over, they can damage your gut lining, allowing toxins and pathogens to seep into your bloodstream. This condition, known as leaky gut syndrome, triggers chronic inflammation and makes you more susceptible to infections, autoimmune diseases, and allergies. A 2018 study in Frontiers in Immunology found that imbalanced gut bacteria weaken immune function, increasing the risk of illnesses like rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel diseases. If you frequently get sick, your gut might need some attention. 3. Mental health issues. Your gut and brain are connected via the gut-brain axis. Ever felt anxious, moody, or mentally foggy without knowing why? It turns out your gut and brain are directly connected through the gut-brain axis. Bad bacteria can mess with your mental well-being by producing toxins that disrupt neurotransmitter function, leading to anxiety, depression, and even memory problems. A 2020 study in molecular psychiatry found that people with gut dysbiosis, imbalance of gut bacteria, were more likely to struggle with mood disorders and cognitive decline. Scientists are now calling the gut our second brain because of its profound impact on mental health. 4. Weight gain and metabolic disorders. Struggling with weight gain despite eating right and exercising? Your gut bacteria might be working against you. Harmful bacteria can interfere with hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism, making you store more fat than usual. Studies published in Cell Metabolism reveal that an overgrowth of bad bacteria is linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. Essentially, when your gut is out of balance, your metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. 5. Skin problems. Believe it or not, your skin reflects your gut health. When harmful bacteria take over, they trigger inflammation that can lead to acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Research in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology suggests that gut imbalances are a common cause of persistent breakouts and skin irritation. How does this happen? Bad bacteria produce toxins that increase inflammation throughout your body, causing flare-ups in the skin. If you've been struggling with stubborn skin problems, improving your gut health might be the missing piece of the puzzle. If bad gut bacteria are messing with your digestion, energy, skin, or even mood, don't worry, you can turn things around. The key is to starve the bad guys and feed the good ones so your gut microbiome stays balanced and healthy. Let's dive into some science-backed ways to kick bad bacteria to the curb. 1. Improve your diet. Your gut microbiome is directly influenced by what you eat. The fastest and most effective way to get rid of bad gut bacteria and encourage the growth of good bacteria is by changing your diet. This means eliminating foods that feed harmful bacteria and replacing them with nutrient-dense, gut-friendly options that support a balanced microbiome. Harmful bacteria thrive on certain foods, causing gut imbalances, inflammation, and digestive issues. To restore gut health, it's essential to eliminate or drastically reduce these gut disruptors. First on the list are processed foods. Fast food, packaged snacks, and refined grains often contain preservatives and artificial additives that disrupt gut bacteria and contribute to inflammation. These highly processed foods provide little nutritional value and can make it easier for harmful microbes to multiply. Next, excessive sugar is a major culprit. A high sugar intake feeds harmful bacteria and yeast like Candida, which can lead to bloating, infections, and digestive discomfort. Too much sugar can also weaken the gut barrier, making it easier for toxins and bad bacteria to enter the bloodstream. Lastly, artificial additives and sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can negatively impact gut health. Research published in Nature suggests that these ingredients reduce microbial diversity, meaning they limit the variety of beneficial bacteria in your gut. This can slow down digestion, weaken immunity, and even affect metabolism. By cutting out these harmful foods, you starve the bad bacteria and create space for healthy gut flora to flourish. Making mindful food choices is the first and most crucial step toward restoring balance and improving overall gut health. 2. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber is one of the best things you can give your gut. Think of it as fuel for your good bacteria. It helps them grow, thrive, and push out harmful bacteria. Without enough fiber, your gut microbiome can become unbalanced, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and even a weakened immune system. So, where can you get this gut-loving nutrient? Some of the best fiber sources include fruits. Apples, pears, berries, and bananas are packed with fiber that nourishes beneficial bacteria while keeping digestion smooth. Vegetables. Broccoli, carrots, and leafy greens provide a variety of fibers that help maintain a healthy gut lining. Legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are fiber powerhouses that support gut bacteria diversity. Whole grains. Oats, quinoa, and brown rice deliver a steady supply of fiber to keep your digestive system in check. According to a study, a fiber-rich diet has been scientifically linked to better digestion, reduced inflammation, and a stronger gut lining. Simply put, adding more fiber to your meals is an easy and effective way to keep your gut bacteria happy and your digestion running smoothly. 3. Take probiotics and prebiotics. Prebiotics are like fertilizer for your gut. They're special types of fiber that feed the good bacteria and help them thrive. While probiotics, live beneficial bacteria, play a vital role in gut health, they need the right environment to do their job effectively. That's where prebiotics come in. By nourishing probiotics, they help maintain a balanced and healthy gut microbiome. So, what are the best prebiotic foods to add to your diet? Here are some top choices. Garlic and onions. These not only feed beneficial bacteria, but also have natural antimicrobial properties to keep harmful microbes in check. Asparagus and artichokes. Both are rich in inulin, a powerful prebiotic fiber that promotes gut health. Bananas, a gentle, gut-friendly fruit that supports beneficial bacteria and soothes digestion. Oats and flax seeds help improve gut motility while reducing inflammation. Pairing prebiotic foods with probiotics creates a perfect gut-healing combination. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir replenish good bacteria, while prebiotics feed them and enhance their effects. This synergy is key to maintaining a strong, balanced gut microbiome. If you want an extra boost, probiotic supplements can also help. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that probiotic supplements containing lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains can help restore gut balance by crowding out harmful bacteria. When combined with prebiotic-rich foods, they create an ideal environment for gut health, digestion, and overall well-being. 3. Reduce stress. Did you know that stress doesn't just mess with your mind, it also disrupts your gut? Chronic stress can actually alter your gut microbiome, allowing harmful bacteria to thrive while weakening the good ones. This imbalance can lead to digestive issues, inflammation, and even a weaker immune system. But you can fight back by managing stress effectively. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and regular exercise help lower stress hormones, creating a healthier environment for your gut bacteria to flourish. Research from psychoneuroendocrinology confirms that reducing stress can positively impact gut health. So taking time to relax isn't just good for your mind, it's essential for your gut too. 4. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep throws off your microbiome, giving harmful bacteria a chance to take over while increasing inflammation in your body. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your gut happy and balanced. Research from Sleep Medicine Reviews shows that good sleep supports gut function. So think of rest as a reset button for both your brain and belly. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and supports digestion, promoting a healthier gut microbiome. Studies in Frontiers in Microbiology highlight the importance of hydration in maintaining bacterial balance. 6. Limit antibiotic use. Antibiotics can be lifesavers when fighting infections, but overusing them can wipe out both good and bad bacteria, throwing your gut out of balance. If you need to take antibiotics, try pairing them with probiotic-rich foods or supplements to help restore your gut flora. Research from The Lancet Gastroenterology and Hepatology suggests that probiotics can support gut recovery after antibiotic use, so don't forget to give your microbiome some extra love. Your gut microbiome plays a crucial role in your overall health. When bad bacteria take over, they can cause digestive issues, weaken immunity, and impact mental health, and even contribute to chronic diseases. By making simple lifestyle and dietary changes, like eating fiber-rich foods, taking probiotics, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, you can restore balance and improve your well-being. Prioritizing gut health today will set the foundation for a healthier future. Subscribe if you like the information. Thanks for watching.